Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video we would be teaching you to solve quadratic equations by completing the square. This is one of the best methods to solve quadratic equations because no matter how complex the numbers are, it's always possible to get the answer without using the formula method. So let's get started. We would be dividing this tutorial into two steps. To make it easier for you. Step 1, finding the nearest perfect square. Say the equation is 5x squared plus 25x plus 30 equals 0. First, you just need to make the coefficient of x squared 1 either by multiplying or dividing the whole equation. In this case the coefficient of x squared is 5, so we would need to divide the whole equation by 5 to make the it 1. We would basically divide the whole equation by 5 as shown below. Here is how it would look. 5x squared upon 5 plus 25x upon 5 plus 30 upon 5 is equal to 0 upon 5. After we divide the equation by 5 and simplify it, we obtain x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Now take the integer, which is plus 6 in this case, to the other side of the equation. This is to make sure that there are only x terms on the left-hand side of the equation. We obtain x squared plus 5x equals minus 6. Now, you simply have to divide the number accompanying the x by 2. Which gives 2.5 because 5 is accompanying the x in this case. Now, square this number, so we obtain 6.25 in this case. Add this number at both the sides of the equation as shown below. When simplified we obtain x squared plus 5x plus 6.25 equals 0.25. Step 2, making brackets and finding the roots. Now we simply need to make a bracket by following the procedure using the equation we have obtained. A bracket is made and x is placed in it. Now bring down the sign of the middle term as shown above. The sign is plus in this case. And then bring the square root of the integer down. The integer is 6.25 in this case, so its square root is 2.5 and hence 2.5 is placed in the bracket. Put a square sign to the bracket and equate it. Now we just need to solve the equation to find the roots. Take the square sign on the other side by making it a square root sign as shown below. X plus 2.5 equals square root of 0.25. The square root of 0.25 is plus or minus 0.5. Hence we write the equation as x plus 2.5 equals plus or minus 0.5. Now find the two values of x by solving the equation in two columns as shown below. In one column 0.5 is negative and in the other 0.5 is positive. Column 1, x plus 2.5 equals minus 0.5. X equals minus 0.5 minus 2.5. X equals minus 3, so one possible value of x is minus 3. Column 2, x plus 2.5 equals plus 0.5. X equals plus 0.5 minus 2.5. X equals minus 2, so another possible value of x is minus 2. So we now know that the solution is x equals minus 2 or x equals minus 3. Do not forget to check out our last video on the easiest method to solve quadratic equations too. If you haven't watched it yet, it's displayed on the top right corner of your screen right now. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share for more interesting math videos.